Welcome to Boston. I'm Alice, and today I'm taking you on a tour of Boston's famous Quincy Market.
So, this cobblestone circle here marks the official spot where the Boston Massacre happened. There's just two issues with it. Not a massacre, I'll get to that in a moment, and it also didn't happen here. To be fair, the real spot where the massacre happened was somewhere over there in the middle of the intersection, so I completely understand that the city hopefully will never put a sign up there because people would go in the middle of the street to get their pictures taken. And you might have noticed that Boston drivers are not known for their driving skills or patience. That would be a very bad idea. I do wish there was a disclaimer here because you call it a massacre and the spot derived from Paul Revere's engraving. You get a very wrong
The Boston Massacre was an incident that took place on March 5th, 1770, in Boston. British soldiers fired into a crowd of colonists after a tense confrontation, killing 5 people and injuring several others. The event increased anger toward British rule and became an important cause leading to the American Revolution. Propaganda, especially by Paul Revere, helped make the incident a symbol of British oppression. Built in 1826 in the Greek Revival style, Quincy Market, a granite masterpiece, sits alongside Faneuil Hall, the legendary cradle of liberty. Today, visitors flock here not just for the history, but to enjoy world-famous New England clam chowder, fresh seafood, and sweet local treats. Continuous operation for nearly 2 centuries has transformed this landmark from an 1826 New England produce market on reclaimed harbor land into one of the city's most vibrant dining and cultural destinations. Listed on the National Register of Historic Places, it holds a special place in American architecture with its magnificent central dome and surviving 19th century detailing. Let's take a walk together and experience the timeless atmosphere of this classic landmark.
Let's go.
Today, Quincy Market attracts millions of visitors each year, with dozens of food vendors offering everything from New England clam chowder and lobster rolls to international cuisine. It also hosts frequent street performers, musicians, jugglers, magicians, and living statues, which gives the plaza a lively atmosphere that's very different from its original role as a wholesale marketplace.